In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Obsidian footnotes. Footnotes are a clean way to add sources, clarifications, or extra context without cluttering your main writing. I'll walk you through the basic workflow so you can start using them confidently in your notes. First, open Obsidian. Make sure you're in the vault where you want to keep your notes. To stay organized, create a new folder and name it Footnotes. This isn't required by Obsidian, but it keeps all related notes tidy and easy to find later, especially if you like to keep your reference material in one place. Inside that folder, create a new note and name it Footnotes. This will be the note where you'll practice and store examples. Go ahead and type in your content, maybe a paragraph or two that includes a claim, a quote, or an idea that you want to annotate. Now, when you're ready to add a footnote, place the cursor right next to the text you want to reference. Typically, footnotes come right after the sentence, usually following the punctuation. Type the markdown footnote reference like this: an open bracket, a caret, the footnote number, and a close bracket. For example, 1. That tiny marker is what links the text to the footnote content. Next, define the footnote itself. On a new line elsewhere in the same note, most people put these at the bottom. Type the matching label followed by a colon, then the explanation. It looks like this. 1. Your footnote text goes here. You can write a full sentence or two, include a source, or provide extra context. Keep the reference 1 and the definition 1 identical so Obsidian can connect them. If you need more than one footnote, repeat the pattern with new numbers, 2 in the text and 2 followed by the corresponding details on its own line. The numbers just need to be unique within the note. If you reuse the same number in multiple places, Obsidian will point those references to the same footnote definition, which is helpful when several sentences share a single source. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Keep your footnote definitions grouped together so they're easy to scan and edit. Use clear, concise language in the footnote itself. And stay consistent with your numbering so nothing breaks when you edit. When you view the note, Obsidian will render those footnote markers as clickable superscripts, and the definitions will appear neatly at the end of the document. That's all you need. Create a folder, create a note, write your content, place the reference next to the text, define it with the matching label and a colon, and repeat as needed. You're ready to use footnotes effectively in Obsidian.